Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Manual. This is your Venkat. Today we will be seeing about the examples for operators, how do they work and what is their performance. To do that we will be opening Eclipse IDE. To do that we need to create a workspace before. So we are opening Windows Explorer and we are going to create a new folder. Workspace is nothing but a folder. I am creating a Java folder. And now let's open an Eclipse IDE. Browse Java, select folder. Now the workspace is selected, click on launch. We don't need anything, so we're just closing everything and click on project, Java project, click on next. I have to give a name for the project, so I am giving operators. I don't need a module, click on finish, open perspective. No operators is created. Now go right click on SRC, new package. So we will be generally creating packages. Give the name for the package, finish. Now just right click and select new class or just click on Ctrl N. Click on class, next, give the name. And select public static void main, give finish. The name of the class should be always in capital letter as recommended. I no need these comments, backspace. Now first we will be seeing about arithmetic operators. So I am taking two variables, one is A and another one is B, and the data type I am giving is integer. Integer data type. I am giving integer data type. I am hard coding the values. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 15, and another one variable to store the value, C. So the first arithmetic operator is addition operator. C is equal to A plus B. sys control space C. Now if you run the Java project, you will see 25 here. Next one is A minus B, A star B, A by B, A modulo B. Subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. Okay, now just see. So C is equal to A plus B, it's 25. C is equal to A minus B, 10 minus 15, it's minus 5. C is equal to A star B, 10 into 15, 150. C is equal to A by B, it's 0. C is equal to A modulo B, it's 10. Explaining to you guys, I just snipped the screen and to see this. There are three variables, int A, int B and int C, and A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 15. So here we are adding C is equal to A plus B, means 10 plus 15. We will be getting 25. See, we have got here. So the same way, next we are going to subtract C is equal to A minus B here. Ten minus 15. C is equal to minus 5. We got here. Now we are going to multiply this. We are going to multiply C is equal to A star B, means 10 star 15. Star means multiply. So C is equal to 150. Next we are going to divide. C is equal to A by B, means 10 by 15. So you guys might have been thinking, it's wrong, right? Why we are getting 0 here? Actually it's correct. I'll explain it to you why we are getting 0 there. So C is equal to 10 by 15, means 15, 10. Okay. So what will be this? You can't divide 10 by 15. So 0 and a decimal, you'll be adding a 0. Okay. So we will be getting 90. 15, 6 are 90. What is the remainder? 10. The next, again you will be adding a 0, again you will be getting 90, 6. So it will be running on like line until we having 6, 6, 6, 6. So you will be expecting why we didn't get 0.666 like this, because there are something called as data types. Now we have used integer data type. Yeah, integer data type. So integer data type will not accept decimals. No decimals. See, no decimals. So that is why anything which is displayed after the decimal with values after the decimal will not be displayed. So the answer is 0. Now let's talk about modulo. C is equal to A modulo B. It means C is equal to 10 modulo 15. Okay. This is also the same case. Modulo is nothing but you will be getting a remainder, as I have said in the previous video. Like 10, 15. You won't be getting any. Here there is a rule that you should not use any decimal points. If it's not divided by anything, it's not divisible, then this will be the output. So as I said in the previous video, like if the left hand side value is smaller than right hand side value, the left hand side value will be your remainder. See, okay, that's all about arithmetic operators. In the next video, I will be continuing about the relational operators. Thank you everyone. Let's meet in next video.